back.
And we're back.
We're back.
And we're back. I know we're in a stores today, so we're gonna do Walgreens across the street, Target. We'll probably end up going to Walmart or the mall or something just because it's so early. The mall's not even open yet. Okay, we're gonna try Target again. I love Target a lot. But Pop-wise, they never have anything over here for some reason.
Frizzle, Miss Frizzles.
This is how we always feel after the gym, by the way. So much energy, just give us an hour and we're gonna crash. Every time. But will Target fail us?
That is the question.
This delivery guy who's like in the truck next to us keeps like circling around because I feel like he thinks we're talking about him. And we are technically right now, but we weren't talking about it before. Don't worry, dude. Target?
Target.
We got sidetracked at the clothes section, like always. There she is, right there.
I lost Kyle. I'm behind up. A lot more stuff than normal, which is kind of nice. However, they have a LeBron James. Wow, this is really cool though. Some Stranger Things stuff.
There is nothing here. It got wiped out again.
It's like 9:30 a.m. Wait, turn. They do have the cute little pocket pops here. Gus, Phineas, and Ezra. We have them in not mystery mini, but mini vinyl form, so I don't think we're gonna grab those. Target for pops, and now we have a bunch of different things. What happens every time? Okay, what did Target do?
They failed us again.
Just when it comes to pops. We like to pop hunt in gym clothes, apparently. It's just really comfortable.
Taqueria Mexico, Walgreens, and Redbox. Made it in Walgreens, and they're actually in the corner, but look at these boxes. Walgreens has nothing worth getting. Back at our GameStop. I don't know what we got last time. Oh, look at bubble.
See? All Marvel Pops have to be bobblehead. GameStop had the same stuff, but we were there yesterday, to be fair. There's some Spider-Man ones in there that, because I saw the movie last night, like the Multi-Man one does look really cool, but we don't need them. We don't collect Spider-Man Pops. We stopped for coffee. And food. We're at our other Targets.
In the other side of town.
It's just the opposite side of town. There's no Target sign. What is this? What is this? We're going. We're going. What do we got here?
Oops.
They have the cereal bowl here though, which is so freaking cute. Look at it. Look.
Somebody jacked the spoon.
Did somebody take the spoon for sure? Yeah, the spoon's gone. Look at these pumpkin decorating sets that are like different characters. Oh, they're so cute.
From that.
Target, you failed me again.
The breeze. Yeah, Target.
Summer breeze makes me feel fine. Next stop is the GameStop on the other side, which is really nice. This GameStop is the GameStop I'm used to. And then there's also a Barnes & Noble right here, so we're just gonna walk back and forth. Do you see this hair? Go back in, go back in. Woo! Oh, big hair problems.
I'll hold it.
My big hair problems is that hair buttons are always all over the place.
We're checking out this wall, and there's a lot of pretty cool stuff. Winnie the Pooh, Piglet, Deadpool. What are you holding over here?
Look at, it's Gamer Hello Kitty, and then this one is Thanos.
The Thanos Christmas, because we saw the Spidey one, right? We're seeing a lot of Dwight Schrute as the elf.
We have a Tom Hanks collection. I don't know what it is. We just started
Just out of nowhere.
All the Tom Hanks ones. Castaway, Forrest Gump.
We ended up getting a buy two, get one free.
So we just pick out one more.
Yeah, so we have Hello Kitty, Gamer, and I totally forgot what I just grabbed.
So do I.
Josh Baskin. Young Josh Baskin, which is Tom Hanks. We tried to find the other one. We tried to find him on the piano, but that's sold out
right
everywhere.
now, so it's
There's
okay.
an Alex Trebek.
There is an Alex Trebek, but I'm not crazy about the box.
There's JD from Scrubs.
I do love JD. I have seen every episode of Scrubs. Oh, it's right here.
Oh!
We had a ton of good luck.
It's a good day.
A ton of good luck at GameStop because we finished out our big collection for now. The Target one has not been released, and she let us keep some Funko boxes.
I don't think she was supposed to do that, but
She really wasn't, but you know, shout out to the GameStop over here. This one's huge. I forgot like how big this GameStop was, but no, it was a good time. Now we're gonna go to Barnes & Noble. It's right there.
So I made us at Barnes & Noble, going to a little tiny Funko tower that they always have.
Alright, so we already have the Michael Scott one.
Nobody comes here anymore.
This is like such a nice box.
So crisp. Like they're so tightly packed, but they're so crisp. Wait, can you help me? I'm just gonna put it on top here.
Scott.
Oh, cool, it's happy. Anyways. Well, see what we got. We're in the music section where all the other pops are.
They do have a really nice like setup for other pops, though.
Yeah, it's really clean.
We are at
Tom's
Tom's Farms. I've never been here on a weekday before. It's so empty, but it's like a giant, it's like a farmer's market, but it's like a little community. So they have like an antique store, there's like old school candy store, there's the farmer's market, and then they have like really, really good burgers. It's like a little community. I do love cheese.
So what are we getting? What is this? What do you want to get this cheese from?
This is Asiago cheese, but it's been encased in Merlot. Like the wine.
Oh,
like so
yeah.
the rind, so you can eat the rind on this cheese. And it just goes really, really good with crackers. My dad loves this stuff.
Merlot. Oh, the Ramoon stuff. I let your sister try one and she just like, ugh.
Because it's so sweet. It is like so sweet.
I wondered too.
It tastes like candy. Third time available in 420 years. Jack Black's Dead Red Root Beer. Better dead red than just plain dead.
So I chose Dog and Suds. She had the Dead Red Root Beer Blackjack. Jack Black. Good, good. We're in the candy shop.
Yeah.
And this is like the most healthy candy I've seen in my life. Candy. Is this a candy? I've never had this candy before.
Maybe they have honeycomb here.
What's roasted and salted sunflower seed candy? Oh, honey's by the comb.
It's like actual honeycomb.
That's neat.
It's pretty cool. So yeah, this is like the whole honey section. There's so much honey.
Whoa. Last stop at Tom's Farms, at least for us, I think, maybe. This antique store, and then we'll head home. Tom's Farm. Yeah, this antique place is set up for Halloween. Look at these things. Trick or treat yourself. Thai Beanie Babies. They're Beanie Boos now. They don't go Beanie Babies anymore. Oh, I did a thing. Now it won't sit up. Cool. Dude, look at your mug obsession. Flunked anger management. I cut back to 1 cup of coffee a day. Look how gigantic
half
that
a
is.
gallon coffee makes me poop.
No lie, no lie. No cap, bro. No cap. Their display here for Halloween is pretty cool. They got a lot of these animatronic things. You know, the sensor ones that move around. And then you have non-animatronic things, like that T-Rex right there. Whoa. See that? Sensor.
We didn't end up going straight home. We saw Hollywood City on the way back and just said, hey,
Skirt, to the left. Let's go.
let's do it. Oh, snaps, where are we at?
Farmer boys.
We at Farmer Boys. Check that out. The U to the S to the D to the A to the P to the B.
Oh no.
Good to order.